the crescent, we could travel with a ball dig. So we can make the crescent. Bring the foot through, make a crescent. Bring the foot through on the ball dig, crescent. Bring the foot through, crescent. Through, crescent. Through, crescent. Do you see how I'm bringing the foot through? It's almost a drag through, so you're already on your ball. Through, crescent. Trail that foot along the floor to bring it through before the crescent. Don't forget, it's quite seductive if you're doing it for proper belly dance rather than for exercise. All these exercises are very good for your hip joints and keep you supple and tone you. Now we're going to make body circles in belly dance. So we're going to do a big step out, hip to the left, hip to the front, hips to the side. As the hips go back, we're going to circle the arms and go down. Keep circling the hips round until we come up again. So let's try that. So we're going to step out to the side, hip to the left. The hip's going to go all the way around, forward, side, back. So it's going forward, side. As it goes back, we're going to drop down, keep circling those hips and up. You can also make it dropping right down to the floor. So I'll show you that. So step out, hip to the left, front, round, drop to the floor and up. So we can repeat it to the right, out, hip to the right, hip to the front, side, behind and up. Don't forget, you can also drop that one to the floor if you want to.